Seabird 198, one localizer established, descend RS.
1 localizer RS, 1.
Seabird 198, could you give me a wind check, please?
Showing 240.
Icelandair 450, 5 miles, 27 left, contact director on 120.4, call line only.
04, Icelandair 450.
Seabird 6 Bravo, it's runway 27 left, your range is about 28 miles, descent off.
Icelandair 450.
Icelandair 450, hello, 23 miles for 27 left.
450, thank you.
German wings 2460, descend with ILS.
Descending with the ILS, German wings 2460.
Vertical speed.
Ja.
Icelandair 450, turn right heading 110 degrees.
Right, heading 110 degrees, Icelandair 450.
German wings 1 Bravo Alpha, turn right heading 245, establish localizer on 27 left.
German wings 1 Bravo Alpha, heading 245, cleared localizer 27 left.
German wings 2460, speed 160 knots to 40 ME.
1624, German wings 2460.
KLM 1017, descend to 3000 further with the ILS.
3000 further with ILS, KLM 107.
German wings 2460, contact tower 1185.
1185, bye-bye, German wings 2460.
That's one.
Icelandair 450, speed 180 knots, turn right heading 180 degrees.
Okay, speed 180 knots and turn right heading 180, Icelandair 450.
Flap 1.
Speed check flap 1.
Tractor Seabird 6 Bravo,
6 Bravo, hello, 23 miles for 27 left.
Seabird 6 Bravo.
ILS identified, to
Checked.
my left.
Flaps 5.
Speed check flap 5.
Speed 180.
Check.
Icelandair 450, turn right heading 245, establish localizer 27 left.
Right heading 245 degrees, established localizer 27 left, Icelandair 450.
KLM 1017.
Okay, heading 245. Left to main, localizer armed.
Seabird 6 Bravo, turn left heading 355.
Left heading at 355, Speedbird 6 Bravo.
KLM 1017, contact the tower 1185.
85, bye-bye, KLM 107.
German wings 1
Yeah,
Bravo Alpha, descend with the ILS.
German wings 1
The
Bravo Alpha.
downtown and the financial district will be on our right hand side and the Thames.
Speedbird 6 Bravo, descend to altitude 4,000 feet.
Descend 4,000 feet, Speedbird 6 Bravo.
German wings 1 Bravo Alpha, speed 160 knots to 40 ME.
German wings 1 Bravo Alpha, 160 to 4.
Speedbird 6 Bravo, turn left head 295, establish localizer 27 left.
Left heading 295, establish localizer 27 left, Speedbird 6 Bravo.
Speedbird 276.
Speedbird 276, hello, range is 23 to 27 left.
Speedbird 276.
Icelandair 450, descend 3000 further with glide.
Descend 3000 further with a glide, Icelandair 450.
3000 set. Vertical speed.
Oh, 900 to level off.
Checked. Glide slope armed.
German wings 1 Bravo Alpha, contact the tower 1185.
German wings 1 Bravo Alpha, 1185, alright.
Right. Speedbird 6 Bravo, speed 190 knots.
190 knots, Speedbird 6 Bravo.
Apologies, that was not you. Speedbird 276, speed 190 knots.
190 knots, Speedbird 276.
Thanks. Speedbird 6 Bravo, when established, descend with the ILS.
When established, descend ILS, Speedbird 6 Bravo.
Flaps 20.
Check, 20. Turn right heading 180 degrees.
Head 180 degrees, speed 276.
Icelandair 450, speed 160 knots to 40 ME.
Speed 160 knots to 40 ME, Icelandair 450.
160 set. Vestibular altitude 2000 set.
Checked.
Gear down.
Gear down.
Speed 276, turn right heading 240 degrees, when established descend glide path 27 left.
At 240 degrees when established, descend glide, speedbird 276.
Vestibular altitude set og landing checklist 2 flaps.
Yep. Landing checklist, cabin.
Secured.
Altimeters.
Recheck the T out.
25, 450.
Speed 276, speed 180 knots.
180 knots to 276.
Tower, hello, Icelandair 450, ILS 27 left.
Serbia 40 Juliet, turn right on Alpha, hold short of link 28.
Right on Alpha,
Speed breaker, landing gear,
Down.
flaps, to
Ground
standing by
121.7.
27 of I-20 460.
Hello 1017, runway 27 left, clear to land, service with 290 degrees, 9 knots.
Let's land 27 left, KLM 1017.
Tower, hello, Icelandair 450, ILS 27 left.
Icelandair 450, continue approach on 27 left.
Welcome, 450.
Visual callouts.
Yeah.
Serbia 40 Juliet, contact ground 121.850, bye-bye.
12185, 42 Juliet, 65.
Watching 4 miles, flaps 30.
That's 30.
Final speed set.
Yes.
Complete checklist.
Now, flaps.
30.
Landing checklist complete.
Checked.
Ja, se on päitä
KLM
small with
107,
it.
ground 121.47, bye-bye.
117, bye-bye, KLM 107.
7 wings 1 Bravo Alpha, service on 270 degrees, 9 knots, runway 27 left, clear to land.
Germany from Bravo Alpha, clear land, 27 left.
$1,000 stable.
Checked.
Good afternoon, Speedbird 6 Bravo Super, established 27 left at 6 miles.
06 Bravo, good afternoon, continue approach 27 left, you are number 2.
Continue, Speedbird 6 Bravo. Speedbird 6 Bravo is exit November 6 available.
Certainly is, sir.
Thank you.
Wings 1 Bravo Alpha, contact ground 121.
500.
Checked.
Germany.
Autopilot off. Auto throttle off.
Bravo, 1 Bravo Alpha, 117, goodbye.
Icelandair 450, service between 270 degrees, 8 knots, runway 27 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 27, left, Icelandair 450.
Minimums.
Speed brake, reverse. Tökum bara næsta þarna high speed, ekki þennan heldur bara næstu. 90. Já, bara my controls.
Your controls.
Access 450, contact ground 121.7. Bye-bye.
117, 450, bye.
David 6 Bravo, surface wind 280 degrees, 9 knots, runway 27 left, clear to land.
Clear land 27 left, Steve 6 Bravo.
Ground hello, ISO 450.
ISO 450, hello, turn right on Bravo, hold short of Lima, stand 248.
Okay, right on Bravo, hold short of Lima, stand 248, ISO 450.
Clear right here.
Clear left. Bravo.
After landing procedure complete. Bravo, Lima is our entrance gate 248.
Air India 130, hold short of 27 left, contact tower 118.5.
Hold short to
Sure.
185, Air India 130, yep. Okay.
ISO 450, contact ground 121.850, bye-bye.
11850, ISO 450. Ground hello, ISO 450.
ISO 450, hello, left turn Lima, stand 248.
Left on Lima, stand 248, ISO 450.
Held konna 3 minuter.
Ja. Ja, här kommer.
Cut left engine.
Left engine. Okay, this is Kilo, next is Lima.
Yep. Lima
Ja, Lima.
Shuttle 6 Romeo, request taxi.
Shuttle 6 Romeo, link 55 onto Bravo, then link 58 join Alpha.
248 should be between
Okay,
these
55
two.
Bravo, 58 Alpha, and then it's holding at Pluto. Shuttle 6 Romeo. Heathrow ground Air India 130, good afternoon, taxiing early, point runway, correction, link to 8.
Air India 130, hello, Alpha, hold at Saturn.
And lights off.
Alpha, hold at Saturn, Air India 130.
Ground hello, Speedbird 276 vacating on Bravo and hold short of Delta.
Freebird 276, hello, Delta, back onto Alpha and hold Hawker. Stand is 532, occupied.
Delta, Alpha, back to Hawker, stand 532 occupied, Speedbird 276.
Speedbird 263, taxi when we can, please.
Freebird 263, give way to the Airbus joining ahead and then follow them to hold at Pluto.
Airbus joining ahead, follow them to Pluto, thanks, 263. And Shuttle 2 Victor, we're on 502 and we're ready for push.
Shuttle 2 Victor, hello, push proof, face east.
Push face east, Shuttle 2 Victor. And Shuttle 6 Romeo, we are with.
Roger.
Speedbird 732, request taxi.
Freebird 732, give way to the company 777 on the right, then link 55, join Bravo and hold short of Echo.
Give way to the company 777 on the right, link 55, join Bravo, hold short Echo, Speedbird 732.
Seatbelts.
Cut, ja tack.
Speedbird 169, monitor tower, 118.7, good afternoon.
We landed on 27 left. Excellent flying skills from First Officer Helgi. It was a very good landing and we made a rapid exit, which is a requirement here at Heathrow because the airplanes are coming in and very short distance in between, only 3 miles between, well 2.5 miles sometimes between aircraft. So the next one after us wants us out of the way as soon as possible, and mission accomplished. This is the way the Vikings did the landing on their Viking ships when they came into Reykjavik city and landed with their strong Viking ship. The Vikings were excellent shipbuilders, by the way.